Hi, my name is Francisco, and I'm going to show you how to install three-dimensional letters on a wall. So we're back at the fitting room wall. I want to show you how to install the letters on the red wall that it says fitting rooms. That's the red wall right there. First, we start by measuring the dimension of the red wall. The second step will be, once we got the dimension of the wall, we're going to measure our template, which is this one right here. We measured this template, which is in this case is 82 inches. So the opening, actually, so we can get a clear dimension, is 134 inches. So we take those 134, we deduct the 82 inches of the template. Whatever numbers we have there, we divide them in two, and that will give us our two equal spaces on each side. So once we have our dimensions already set out, we're gonna mark in the wall our starting point and our height. I use a laser level, so I'm gonna shoot a laser level at my starting point and at my height, and that will tell me how straight I'm putting up the letters. I'll show you that process in a bit. As you can see, I have my laser set up in there, my height and my starting point. The horizontal is the bottom of the letters, and the vertical will be my starting point with the letters. So we're gonna line up our template with our lines. So once we have our pamphlet on the wall, we're about to start putting in up the letters. They're double side tape, and then we so we repeat that process until we put up the letters on the template.